when it comes to Tajikistan, one thing you talk about was media freedom. One of the things they are using very often there is try not to accredit people. We, for example, got a threat that they will shut down most of our operation there. Can you just give an idea of any sort of support for example, Radio Free Europe or other media organisations that try to do independent broadcasting in these countries, in Tajikistan in particular?
We support media freedom and independent media everywhere. There are then locally at capital levels exchanges on particular cases, and our interlocutors in all these 5 countries, and I can tell you everywhere in the world, know very well that the conditionality the European Union support comes with is always linked to the open space for media and civil society organizations. What encourages me is that this year, for the first time, we had at the margins of the ministerial meeting with the Central Asian countries, the Civil Society Forum. And that also included some media representatives, and I believe it is an encouraging sign, the fact that the ministers agreed to have it on a regular basis in parallel with the ministerial meeting. Again, it's a process. It's sometimes a painful process. We don't hide that there are difficulties and there are disagreements. But our approach is to encourage, to support, and also to support, obviously, single media representatives or single cases whenever it's needed.